What's going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, bringing you guys here the latest and greatest crypto news and keeping you guys up to date. And today we got amazing news, and that's Voyager is finally announcing their card, and this is how it looks like right here. So this is the Voyager crypto card that we've all been waiting for, right? And also, guys, if you don't have Voyager yet, use my link in the description below and pinned comment, and you'll get $25 free worth of Bitcoin once you guys put in $100. So that's $25 free right there worth of Bitcoin that you guys can get just by signing up to Voyager. Coinbase already has their card, and I think BlockFi also has their card. But this one is a little different, and I'm going to go into details, and I'm also going to show you guys here how you can pre-register, okay, and get this card early. As you guys can see right here, get early access. Okay, I'm gonna leave all these links in the description below so you guys can go put in your email and get early access. So let's talk a little bit about this card. I'm gonna talk about the details, how it's different from the Coinbase card, which is my favorite one that I love using. So the main thing to me about this card, why it's gonna be a game changer. Okay, I think this is the first card that allows you to do this. With Voyager, you get up to 9% on rewards on the stable coin called USDC. Okay, I think they also have USDT, but this one is going to be using USDC. That's the coin that you're going to be using when you use this card. So basically, any place that accepts MasterCard, okay, whatever amount of USDC that you have on your Voyager account, you can use it with this card. And that is just amazing. And to me, it's a game changer because before, you can't use that USDC. You would have to like send it to the bank, right, and then use the bank card or something like that. Well, now Voyager is doing it this way, and it's going to make it way more convenient. I think this is going to open a lot of gateways for more people, crypto beginners, or people just want to save money into Voyager, into crypto. I think this is going to be a great gateway into crypto. So basically, the game plan is you want to hold a lot of money on USDC, earn 9% on it monthly, right? You get it paid out monthly. You can use the card to basically buy everyday things like gas, groceries, everything like that, while getting 9% back on your money, right? That's something that banks don't do. I mean, I think at this point, there's no point of having your money, the majority of your money in a bank when you can have it in something like Voyager, get 9% monthly, while the banks are paying you 0.01 or something outrageous like that. So right here, it says no annual fee, which is a huge plus. That's great to know. Easy as cash, so you can spend USD coin everywhere. Debit card, MasterCard is accepted, and you earn 9% just by holding. Okay, so this coin is different from the Coinbase card because you don't get cash back like the Coinbase card, but in reverse, you get 9% for holding your money there. So in my opinion, it's kind of like the opposite. So the Coinbase card makes you want to, spend, right? And get 4% back on like XLM or something. Meanwhile, this coin makes you want to like save more money, right? Like I don't want to be spending my money that I'm earning 9% back on monthly on Voyager, right? So I'm probably going to make a video on how to use, all these crypto cards together. I already have the Coinbase card, but the way my strategy is for this is something like I'm probably going to hold like around $200, $300 on the Coinbase card, right? So I can use on everyday things like groceries, things that I spend daily, right? That is not really a lot of money. Meanwhile, I'm going to hold most of my savings and money on the Voyager card because you're going to be getting 9% back monthly. So that's the way that I view these two cards and the way that I would use it. But I'll probably make a video on that in the future. So after you guys click the link in the description to get this card, you click right here on get early access, and all you got to do is put your name and your email, and they're probably going to send you an email first. So in order to get early access, you got to put in your email. So this should be coming out very soon. I don't think they put a date on it. If they came out with this, then it should be coming out probably in less than a month or so. If you hold $2,000, right, you're going to get 0.9%. So it would be, I think, around 100 and something. But it would be, I think I calculated on my phone, it would be like $15 a month for $2,000. So just imagine that, getting $15 a month just for holding your $2,000 on Voyager. And of course, you could hold even more. So, that's the power of crypto. It's changing the world. We're going to end up in a time where the banks are going to be useless. And the banks are super greedy because they're able to pay you these yields, these crazy yields, but they don't want to. They want to keep all the money to themselves and keep it at 0.1% or something low like that. So that's the Voyager card. If you guys want to get early access, definitely join soon. And as soon as this comes out, I'm going to share here with you guys my reviews, my thoughts, how I use it. And I'm also going to have a strategy too for how to use all different types of crypto cards and get the most out of your money. So thank you guys again. Join my Patreon, join my free Facebook group and Telegram in the description below. And also follow me on TikTok. I made a new TikTok. So thank you guys again. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.